Congrats on your successful purchase of a pressure washer. But now, what to do with it? Think and consider. You will also require a proper garden hose for the pressure washer to work efficiently. In this video, we've listed down the top 3 best garden hose for pressure washers and their key features, plus the things to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are available in the description. You could also find more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, colombiaflorist.net. Number 3. Power Washer Replacement Pressure Washer Gun and Hose Kit. The Power Washer brand carries a lot of weight these days, and this gun and hose kit is no exception. The 80012 model electric pressure washer hose connects easily to the spray gun, making it compatible with just about any electric pressure washer, although it can be used with a gas pressure washer. The hose is 20 feet long and detachable, while the washer gun has 3 universal adapters, so there's plenty of flexibility. Most people can also appreciate the 360-degree rotation handle, which should make it easy to use no matter what job you have to do. The hose is made out of thermal rubber, helping to make it flexible but also kink-resistant. If you need more than medium water pressure, the hose may not hold up, as the maximum PSI is 2000. But if that's all you need, this gun and hose combination is a safe option. Number 2. B&S Craftsman Genorack and Karcher. Proudly made in the USA by Schaefer, this hose is set up to work with both gas and electric power washers. It's not the most powerful hose on the planet, but it can hold up to 3000 psi of water pressure, so it should be able to get the job done more times than not. This 50-foot hose also has a seamless inner tube and textile braided reinforcement. It's also resistant to kinks. Finally, this Schaefer hose is on the light side at just 3.3 pounds with a dual 22mm 14 female twist connects. Number 1. Simpson Cleaning Monster. The name Monster is in no way an exaggeration with this particular hose. It boasts some serious power for gas-powered pressure washers, and it can handle up to 4,500 psi of water pressure. The key for the Simpson Cleaning Monster is its strong inner liner combined with dual over-braid technology, meaning the hose is braided with polyester and then covered by a steel braid on the outside. In short, it allows the hose to handle more pressure and provide more power. The hose is perfect for working with cold water, but can handle water temperatures up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. It's also a hose that is built to last with clear non-marrying polyurethane on the outside. Most importantly, it's easy to set up with 3x8 inches male quick connect plug and 3x8 inches female quick connect socket, and will be compatible with most gas pressure washers. Did this video help you find what you were looking for? If so, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Have a good day.